It's really hot. It's humid. I'm sweaty. I feel sticky. I want to shower. I want to record this video. I want to get that done. There's so much to do. I want to detail my car. Like, there's so much to do. Let's do one of them, okay? I bought a pair of heels, red bottoms, AliExpress, no logo, no moral corruption. You see? 40, maybe $50. I was shopping. I was going off of the high of this heel. You feel me? I got this heel, very excited. I did not realize that a 5-inch heel is a lot more sexier than a 4-inch heel. This is a 4-inch heel. That is 5 inches. You see the difference? Oh my God, this is so tiny in comparison. 4 inches? Not enough. 4 inches? 4 inches may not be enough when it comes to sex appeal, but as far as functionality, I can give its respect.